Hello and welcome to another wilderness tamed gardening video. Doing a complete transformation in this one, back garden at the north of Newcastle. It's been allowed to become a bit of a wasteland, weed infested wasteland, and we're going to plant several hundred bulbs, put in a wildlife pond, hand dug because we can't get a digger into the site, and some wildflower turf in the central section, and then around the borders a mix of woodland, shady, tolerant plug plants, native, of course, and on the other border, on the top border, a more sort of sunny and ornamental mix. So there's a lot of quite attractive native perennials in there, so it's going to be like a herbaceous border, but using only native stuff. So yeah, this central area is going to be rotivated today. Actually, so the borders. I've just got to scythe down the weeds, remove any piles of stone, any brick, any rubble, and yeah, job's a good one. That's all there is to it. This border, as you can see, the weeds have been thriving on here, and there's actually a layer of mypex or landscape fabric underneath it. So I would imagine years of leaf litter from our friends, the slowly dying ash tree, have just accumulated on here and building up enough of a substrate layer for the weeds to germinate in. So I'm currently scything this dead stalk layer off, and I've got to peel away the landscape fabric in order to get to the soil, which I'm then going to rotivate. What fun!